Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Reggae. Today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to play reggae music on piano. I hope you'll enjoy. The first thing in reggae music, you have to play the chords, chopping chord. And you have to know that the tempo ranges from 60 to something like 90, but today I'm going to use a tempo of 72 or 73, a tempo 1 4, and then you play the chopping chord goes like this. So I'm playing at a key of D major scale. I have transposed my piano to positive 2. Let's play the chopping chords. Like that, and then you can play to the beat. 1 4. I was a young boy, yeah, yeah. Let's sing a song. Let me compose my song. By the way, I'm an artist. I can compose any song that I want. Let me compose just a song. An English song. I will sing like I was a sing. This is my own composed song, but I haven't recorded it, but I can sing just for an example. In high school, I used to be in high school. Then the chorus goes like this. Education so important, hey. So important, woo. Education so important. Let's sing that song, by the way. I'm going to sing just the chorus. Also cheat the key. I can go down or go up. Let's try up. I transpose up, Are you up? I was playing like this. It's so important, so important. Then it will be like this. So important, so important. Education so important. So important. Then I will transpose down. So important, so important. Education so important, so important. Education so important, so important. Oh, education so important, so important. So you can play your reggae music in the way you want, in any key that you can sing at. You know, we have the keys from C, C to B, so you can play your music in any key that you want. Yes. Like that, Thank you guys, and thanks for keeping up in my YouTube channel, keeping in touch. You know, I am very fine, and I hope you understood what I'm trying to teach you on how to play reggae music on piano, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and guys, I'm telling you, don't forget to subscribe. The subscription button is just down below, you know. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And I tell you, if you have any comment or a question you want to ask, just ask, and I will answer it. Thank you guys, and keep in touch with me. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.